Tessa Hill and Leah Valente's story is about courage, conviction, and caring. It starts when Tessa and Leah are 13-year-old grade 8 students who use a school project to take on an important public issue being debated across Ontario. What should or should not be taught to students about sexual consent in the updated health and physical education curriculum? The public debate continues, but the issue emerged loud and clear for Tessa and Leah when they were doing research for their documentary on sexual violence against women. The film, entitled Allegedly, took off like wildfire through social media, garnering the attention of traditional media outlets and generating robust discussions about rights, respect, and responsibility. The film premiered on Huffington Post and was screened at TIFF Bell Lightbox. Then, Tessa and Leah created an online petition urging the government to include sexual consent in the revised curriculum and got 40,000 signatures of support. The campaign, We Give Consent, opened doors to the office of the Premier, who met with the girls to assure provincial support. Equally important to Tessa and Leah, the discussion included the voices of youth, whose views had been missing on an issue about young people. Tessa and Leah's extraordinary efforts are equal parts education and activism. But above all, they reveal a deep passion for equity, women's rights, and social justice. And that bodes well, not just for our future, but for our present.